Hi everyone, welcome to a 5-Minute Friday with Rhonda Wade. You're in my studio here and I want to bring you a quick video to show you, just to get right down to the point, of making a really cute explosion box that's full of kisses. So let's go down and to my surface and we're gonna jump in. I do lots of Facebook Lives where I chat and they're a little bit longer or show some more different, longer projects, but Fridays are gonna be saved for quick and simple, just to get right to the point. We're gonna take a 7.5 by 7.5 inch piece of cardstock. I'm using Bermuda Bay, and you're gonna score it at 2.5 and 5. And you're going to do that on the other side as well. This is gonna be the bottom of our box, and now this box needs a lid. So I have a piece of our basic white that is 4.5 by 4.5, and I'm gonna score this at 1 inch going all the way around. So I just use this little 1 inch mark over here. I love Stampin' Up's trimmer for that. And then our last one. All right, we'll put the box together. This is going to explode our kisses at whoever we give it to. You wanna fold along all those score marks, take your paper snips, and you're going to snip up onto that line. You're gonna do this on one side, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. While our box is flat, we are going to add our paper. I'm using the Oh So Ombre Paper. It's so fun. It's free for celebration. If you're watching this in February of 2021, you can get it free with your $50 purchase. I know lots of my customers already have it, so I want to show you, use it up, chop it up. It's free. You can always get some more. And then on the sides pick one of the sides that does not have the cut marks, and you are going to put these 2.25 inch squares on all 3 of these going in a row like that. And this one goes directly across from it like that. Now let's go ahead and assemble our lid really fast while we are doing that, because we're not gonna glue the box together. It's really fun, I think, that when somebody opens it, it kind of will explode the kisses open at them. So the lid, it's snip on the 2 sides going across from each other. I also like to snip off these edges right here so they don't hang over when you're putting it together. I'm also gonna take another piece of the Oh So Ombre paper. This one is without the dots, and I'm going to put that right on the top of our lid. Put your adhesive on the 4 corners of the tabs. That's the only place you need your adhesive. And then we're going to pull those and glue those down. I'm using Stampin' Seal Plus because I want a really good stick. So I'm gonna pull these, not all the way tight. I leave a little bit of a gap right there, maybe like a 1/16 of an inch gap, if even that, just so that when we fill up our box, let's fill up our box now. You pull the 2 flaps in that have nothing on it, and then the other side is the one that has the knot on there, and then you're going to pull up the side that has all the other squares on it, right? So now your box is ready to fill, and we're going to fill it with our kisses, right? We're gonna send some kisses. And then you can also make a little love note to go inside if you would like to. I'll show you how to make that here in a second. And then here is the top of our box. And so when someone opens it up, they are just gonna be able to pull off the top of it, and the kisses are just gonna, the kisses are just gonna fall out at them, right? Lots and lots of kisses. So let's decorate the top of our box. I have a Stitch So Sweetly label, and I'm going to stamp a heart. I'm going to be using the stamp set Hearts and Kisses. And of course we're giving kisses, so we're gonna stamp some of these kisses as well. And I'm stamping them directly on this Oh So Ombre paper that comes in that pack. It's free. I wanna use it right up. Then I'm just gonna punch some of these little kisses there. There's also an XOXO in that stamp set. And so on here, I'm gonna stamp the hugs and kisses. Take the little heart that I did, the little dimensional, and put that down to the top there. To close this box up, I'm going to take some of our Pool Party sheer ribbon, which I think goes with any of our shades of blue, and I'm going to tie a bow up here with that, like so. The bow is always the hardest part on a 5-minute Friday for me. If I get it right the first time, I'm good. If it takes me 2 times, you gotta give me a 30-second break. There you go, not too bad. We'll take our XOXO and we're going to add that with some dimensionals on the top of our box. And then we are almost done. And whoever you give this to is gonna be so, so excited to open your box. We're gonna open that up. You can pull off the lid and out pops all of your kisses. So I did it again right beforehand in our Rococo Rose. And this one I made a belly band. I just slide that belly band off. So that's why it's kind of fun to have pull off the lid and then in are your hugs and kisses. And this one also has a little love note. So this is a 2.5 by 5-inch piece. And I just put a little piece of white inside, 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, and then you just decorate it with your kisses. So, and here it is in the Bermuda Bay. All right, if you love this, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with everybody. I love your comments. Tell me what you think. Are you gonna make this? What would you fill it with? So right now, you can use kisses any time of year, but there's lots of fun things that you can put inside this box. Thanks for stopping by.